Our fluency, the first one, what is the sum of these numbers? Remember, the sum means we are going to add. And when we add, we have to line up our decimals. So we have 56 and 1200ths plus 3 and 7800ths. All right, let's add. 8 plus 2 is 10. 7 plus 1 is 8 plus another one is 9. Drop that decimal, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 0 is 5. So our answer here is going to be 59 and 90 hundredths, or 59.9. 59 and 9 tenths, that works as well. Whoa! Here we go. 59 and 90 hundredths. Next one, find the product. That means we're going to multiply. Do I have to line them up? No, I don't. 15 and 6 tenths times 1 and 3 tenths. In this case, they are lined up, but they do not have to be. 3 times 6 is going to be 18. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. We are done with that 3. We're going to put a placeholder 0. We are also done with these remainders. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. We're going to add these up. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. 5 plus 4 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. We are going to move our decimal in 1, in 2. So we're going to move in 1, in 2. So our answer is going to be 20 and 28 hundredths. Perfect. Last but not least, what is the quotient? Quotient means we're going to divide. All right, so, this one's a little bit tricky. We have 8 and 935 thousandths divided by 5 tenths. What we need to do here, this is important. What we need to do here is, since we do have a decimal on the outside, we need to move that in 1 to make it a whole number. If we do that on the outside, we have to do it on the inside. So we're going to move that in 1, and then we'll pop it up. So now we have that decimal in our new location. 5 can go into 8 one time. 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract 8 minus 5 is 3. Bring down that 9. 5 can go into 39 7 times. 5 times 7 is 35. We're going to subtract. 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down that 3. 5 can go into 43 8 times. 5 times 8 is 40. We're going to subtract. You get 3 and bring down that 5. 5 can go into 35 7 times. 5 times 7 is 35. When you subtract, you get a remainder of 0. Nothing left to bring down. So our answer here is going to be 17 and 87 hundredths. I will write it kind of like over here. 17 and 87 hundredths. And that's going to be it for our fluency. Great job.